Let me start with you, Malachi, if I could. Most people were surprised. Were you as well? Haven't been observing happenings. True, it's been rambunctious. It's been very tough in the southeast, and in particular in Anambra, the election, and that is why most people howled, because there will be implications for the election. And quite frankly, they haven't taken very kindly to it in Anambra State itself, as is evidenced by the Commissioner for Information, Sidon Adinoba, who has also put out a statement. And quite frankly, he is saying that this is highly suspicious. That's his own particular interpretation of it. Give me your impression, Malachi, and I'll ask the same of Tony. How surprised were you that this is even, I mean, it has entered the thought process of the federal authorities?
Well, I sincerely doubt whether surprise was my mood or still is my situation, because we are now at a stage where quite a number of issues are at play now. There is the issue of the law, there is the issue of security, there is the issue of the civic rights of Nigerians for the electoral processes. There is even political contestations. So what is a fact is that the Attorney General of the Federation has, soon after the Executive Council meeting, made a statement indicating that the federal government may be disposed or will be disposed to go the way of a state of emergency
if it deems it necessary.
In the event that it becomes necessary. The question is, will it ever become necessary? The Constitution answered the question to say that once the circumstances expressly outlined in the Constitution, and I'm referencing section 305, once those circumstances exist, namely breakdown of law and order, either in the entire federation or any part thereof, or where the nation is at war, or where it has become necessary to safeguard the country itself, the federal government has that option. But it didn't stop there, because there are other contending factors elsewhere in the country on the basis of which people of that state in particular, and by extension that region, are posing very valid question to say, wait a minute, if what we're experiencing either in Anambra or in any part of the southeast is not comparable with what other regions and states have been subjected to by the activities of insurgent groups, terrorist groups, kidnappers for over 5 to 6, 7 years now, then you cannot be justifying this kind of statement very close to the elections. Permutations are read into it.
Exactly.
Security issues are there. The legal, so it's quite convoluted. And until we were able to.